What's up, everyone? Jimmy with Jimmy's Jeepstead here, and today we are going to prep some chicken wings for the first time. I've never done this, but we are going to split them up and put them on the blackstone. Today is Tuesday. We're going to do this on Wednesday, but I'm going to show you a little bit of the prep. So here's the chicken. It is a little over 4.5 pounds. Wings, thighs. So we are going to throw them over here. Trying to get this phone situated. Give me just a second. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this piece right here and attempt to cut it off. There we go. Then we're going to flip it over. Spin it this way. I don't know if you can see that. Phone's kind of at a weird angle. But we cut it there, cut the flat off, even with the drumstick. And there you have it. This piece here we're gonna throw away. We don't need it. So now we have drumstick and a flat. And I'm going to do all of these, and then I'll come right back to you and show you everything. Alright, so we got them all cut up. What we're going to do now is we are going to put some salt, we're going to salt them up and mix them. Having a hard time, people, trying to get the phone to stay where you can kind of see it. That's not going to work. All right, what we're doing now is we've put salt on them, and we're just going to stir them up. Get that salt good and coated on all the wings. And we're going to put them in the refrigerator for, I'm probably going to do 2 hours. Let that salt sit good on them. And then I'm going to marinate them overnight in, let's see, some Lowry's teriyaki. I guess that's the direction we need to look at. I'm going to let them marinate the rest of the night tonight and tomorrow all day. And then we're going to pull them out, let them dry for probably 2 or 3 hours, pat them down real good, and then put them on the blackstone. I'll bring you back at the next step. Okay, the next day. A little late, but I got them on the grill, or griddle, as Blackstone makes it be. So we've got teriyaki, and then I did some for the kids that are just plain. They soaked in salt all day yesterday and today, so they should be fall off the bone. We shall see. We're going to let these cook on a medium-low heat and get them browned up. You can see that one starting to turn crispy. And that one as well. These just went on. They haven't been flipped the first time, so I will let you know how it goes here in a minute. Alright, so I decided to put all the teriyaki underneath my makeshift dome. It's just a pot lid, big old, I guess, pressure cooking pot lid off of old pressure cooker that I found at Goodwill, and it's actually extra large. It's bigger than the extra large ones. Kind of hard to tell size, but it's pretty big. And this is the plain ones. They cooked all the way to 165, so they should be good. My wife doesn't like chewy chicken, so we're gonna make sure that they are perfect. And I watched another YouTuber that does Blackstone cooking all the time, and he uses these to-go trays, so I figured I'd pick some up. I picked up 6 on eBay, I think for like 20 bucks. They're good for food prep. That is the teriyaki wings. A little bit of the sauce burn, as you can tell. I ain't gonna try to hide it. It's the first time I've ever cooked chicken wings in my life. I've never cooked chicken wings myself. I always go somewhere and buy them. But I got a Blackstone now, so we're going to learn. We're going to perfect this soon enough. Look at it. I wish you could smell it through the phone or the camera. I video off of my phone right now. So either way, we're going to get them cooked up and give them a shot, see what it tastes like. I'll bring you back here shortly.